Today, I'm going to show you how to make Disney ornaments using the materials from Dollar Tree store.
Welcome to my channel.
We are going to be making 2 different ornaments, and they're simple and easy. Number 1 ornament, number 2 ornament, and they're so cute. For our first ornament, the materials we are going to need are snowballs, wooden cubes, an ornament jar, a 5/8 ribbon, a 1/8 ribbon. This is actually from Joann's. A Disney character. I chose Minnie though. Alphabet beads, scissors, and let's not forget the glue gun. Okay, let's get started. So this is how it looks when it's all done. We also personalized it with my name. It says, I see Liz. And we also made one for my brother. Because actually, he loves Toy Story. And it says, Tyler. And there, I'll give it to him. Now, let's go to our second ornament. We are going to need big and small vine balls, mini bows, and a 1/8 ribbon. And let's not forget our scissors and hot glue gun. Okay, let's go. how it looks when it's all done. We also personalized the other Disney ornaments we made. Tyler is Mickey. I got Icy Liz here. Mommy, Tyler here. Daddy, and Tyler again here. Okay, now let me go get my brother and show him the Woody and all the other ornaments. Tell him to close his eyes. Don't let him peek, okay?
Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. We got something for you. Uh-huh.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
You're not closing your eyes.
You better close your eyes. Okay, you can open it now. Wow.
What are Woodies?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
What are you going to do?
This pretty in the Christmas.
Oh, yeah? Okay, where's your Christmas tree?
Where is it?
But you have to buy this.
I have to buy the Christmas tree, right?
Yeah.
Okay guys, I'm done for today. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, and don't forget to watch my other videos on how to make a reindeer wreath and how to make a giant lollipop. Okay, bye!